Hi, I'm Erin with Erin's Faces, and if eyeliner is the bane of your existence because you cannot figure it out, I'm going to break it down and make it super easy for you, natural, easy peasy, and it'll stay all day with this little girl right here. Here we go. Okay, so first tip with doing eyeliner is I like to have my eyeshadow primer, my eyeshadow on, not my mascara yet. Mascara for me comes last because if I have mascara on, it's hard for me to get in there and it's just hard. So this is the cream eyeliner in mahogany from us. So I go into here with our angled liner. I like an angled liner. They have flat top liners. They have little skinny liners. It's very individual what you will like, but we carry an angled liner and I like it. I tend to go into the pot and then I tend to blot it on the cap just to get a little less pigment on there. Okay, so the next tip is take a handheld mirror, look down. It's not a flattering angle, but it's fine because it's going to help us with our eyeliner. You're going to do push against your lashes, bump up against, push your lashes down, bump up against your lash line, and then do a baby pull. I'm not going to do one amazing perfect line all at once. It's push your lashes down, bump up against your lash line, and pull out. Okay? And we're going to start at the outer edge. I'm just going to load my brush up a little bit more. Okay, so pushing, lashes down, bumping up against the lash line, and we're pulling. Push, bump, pull. Now, this is for a really skinny liner. You can see I'm literally holding this like right under my face. When I get to the inside, I need to pull my mirror up. But you're going to go all the way in there and get it. Okay, so see with and without, my lash line just looks thicker. It doesn't necessarily even look like I have eyeliner on, but I'm not tight lining it. Tight lining it is when you lift this up and you go in there underneath your lash line. So if you hear people talking about tight lining, that's what it is. We're not doing that today. We're just going on top because tight lining is really great and really pretty, but can bother you if you wear contacts and stuff like that. So we're doing super easy. Takes practice though. Okay? So if you do this the first time and you suck at it, don't throw your eyeliner out. Don't think you're a bad makeup artist, woman, person. Because what were you good at the first time you ever tried to do it? Maybe one thing. Everything else took practice. So do it 3 times on each side and you will be good at it. And also, when you have an event, this is not the time to bust out your eyeliner and try it for the first time. High pressure moments are not when you're going to bust out new techniques. Okay? You're going to bust out new techniques on a Saturday afternoon where you have nowhere to go and nothing to do. Or you're able to lock yourself in your bathroom for 15 minutes while your kids are knocking on the door. I'm just saying. Okay? So, I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, so I'm pushing lashes down, bumping up against my lash line, and I am pulling. Little baby pulls all through here. This way you don't have to do that thing that people do to get everything straight. Even if you're older, even if you have crepey skin, you may have to, if you have crepey skin, you may have to lift a little bit with your finger, but you don't need to pull. Don't do it. Okay? Sorry. So I'm just letting this little brush do the walking. Little baby pulls. And this is going to be a little bit longer than I want it to be. You have to go all the way in. have to. Go all the way in, meaning into your tear duct. Otherwise, we can't be friends. I've said that in other videos, and I really mean it. I don't mean it. I'll still be friends with you. But I will judge you, and I will look at you, and I'll be like, oh my gosh, like, can we get it together, please? Because it literally looks, and I've said this in other videos, but it's true, like someone said, hey, we have to go when you were doing your makeup, and you were like, okay, I don't need to finish. It's totally fine. Let's go. Finish your makeup. It's important. Okay? Now, if you want to go on the bottom, let's talk about it. I'm trying to make these quick, but If you want to go on the bottom, just adjust a little bit. If you're wanting natural, this is when you're wanting natural. So if you're using our cream eyeliner and you want to go on the bottom, this makes a very nice sharp line. Is that what we want on the bottom? No, that's not. But do we want maybe a little bit of definition down here? Sure. And on this one, you can go just on the outer bit and be fine. Rub it with your finger and it'll soften it. The thing I love about this eyeliner is it does not move until you wash your face. It's fantastic, okay? So good for you if you've already got it. Made a good purchase. Boop, boop, boop. The end. No more. Now, if you wanted it thicker, if you want to do a wing, whole other thing, right? But that's basic eyeliner 101. I was trying to do it in Spanish and I don't know how to say it in Spanish. Okay,